All right, and here's big reveal. So we've got a new center light in there, and this is the best one here. The perimeter lights, and they're all on a dimmer here. Oh, I love that. And then the separate light here that can be on by itself, which would be pretty neat, also on a dimmer here. So I figured that looked pretty neat if I get a safe right there. It's kind of a dark gray color. I forget the name of the color specifically, but kind of dark gray, but you can see it up against the black ceiling there. It looks super great. So you'll see I've got some tape here on the walls. This more than likely the layout I'm going to do for cabinetry. So have a corner cabinet there and one cabinet on each side, and then countertop here. This will be office space here for my computer and stuff, and then this section over here will be all for reloading. So that's the plan. So what do you think? Let me know in the comments below. How do you think that black looks? My wife is pleasantly surprised as well. She was kind of against it, but once it was up, she thought it looked good. Also for trim, the cabinets are going to be hickory, so we're going to do probably hickory trim on the ceiling, baseboard around the windows and doors and stuff. So yeah, so stay tuned. Cabinetry, you're going to start putting this thing together. It's going to start looking really finished, but I love how the color scheme looked out. I love the lighting. It's just perfect at this point. So thanks for tuning in. Stay tuned for the next episode, which will be a cabinetry. Hope you're having a good day.